You ever wake up before sunrise and rush into the kitchen and think to yourself, is this it? Long hours, low pay, no time for life. You love to cook, but somehow the kitchen you dreamed of has become your cage. What if I told you your knife skills could set you free? Because they can. You don't need to open a restaurant. You don't need a business degree. You just need to understand one thing. Your passion can be a business. I'm talking about becoming a personal chef entrepreneur, someone who gets paid to cook in beautiful homes, who chooses their clients, sets their schedule, and earns more by creating private dining experiences that people never forget. This is how you fire your boss with food. Imagine this. Instead of clocking in for someone else's dream, you wake up knowing every dish you make builds your own. You're free to design menus that reflect your creativity, cook for clients who appreciate your art, and finally get paid what your skill is worth. This isn't just about cooking, it's about freedom. The truth is, people are willing to pay for convenience, health, and quality. And you, the chef, hold the key to all three. Right now, there's a growing demand for private chefs, meal prep specialists, and in home dining experiences. Busy families, professionals, couples, they want personal connection, and you can give it to them. I built my business from that same desire for freedom. I was tired of the grind, tired of giving my best to someone else's brand. So I built my own. And today, I help other chefs do the same. If you've been dreaming of creating a business built on your talent, if you're ready to take control of your time, your income, and your future, this is your sign. Start with one simple step. Grab my free ebook, 10 Essential Steps to Start Your Personal Chef Business. Inside, I'll show you exactly how to go from overworked employee to successful business owner, cooking on your terms for clients who love what you do. You've got the skill, you've got the passion. Now it's time to build your freedom, one plate at a time. So before your next shift starts, grab the guide and take the first step toward firing your boss with food.